like 1 or 2 videos banked up. I don't have any because I've been focusing on the stupid bash course. So I won't have anything like super interesting to upload to YouTube until I get this bash course out, which will be in the next week or two. I also don't even have any shorts going up. I'm just kind of slacking, but you know, this isn't my full-time job, so I'm not worried about it.
I'm behind. Stream. Where's the thing? Dashboard. Stream manager. Where's
Yo,
the
what up?
button? Stream together. There it is. There it is. I remember how to do it.
Oh, did I just do a video call with you? I'm stupid.
Oh, wait, what?
No, I did a video call on Discord. I just clicked the video button. I unclicked it. We're good. We're good.
Mod probe. I'm working on
Are
it.
you streaming? Are you streaming?
Yeah, I'm live. I'm live.
Okay, never mind. I see it.
My euchre went kind of long.
Oh my god. All right. Well, we don't have much time. Well, we do. We have 1 minute and 11 seconds.
We have so much time. Infinite time.
That's what I'm saying, actually.
Invite guests. Dave, Eddie.
Oh, I'm not even. They can't hear you. There we go. Now your audio's on. Now they can hear you.
Nice. We're good at this.
Nice. We got back.
We know how to do this.
Yep.
Did it work on this thingy? The stream
I didn't see
together?
anything pop up on Twitch.
Let me click the knock button.
First time catching you live? Yo, what up? What up? Welcome, welcome. I'd read your whole message, but I'm about to get into a race in less than 1 minute, so I don't have time. Sorry. Except I got the stream.
There's no time.
There's no time for this.
Like the present.
Okay. Wait, why do I hear you coming out of the Twitch thing? Oh god. Ew.
Oh, I can fix that. You gotta click your camera on. There you go.
I am doing it.
Woo.
There we
Okay.
go. Now we got you up there.
We did it in time, easy. We have so much time we want to talk about. All right, let's start.
We have 10 minutes. Or 10, no.
10 seconds.
Woo, woo.
My terminal.
I know I'm not in the right directory. All right, jumping in. Good luck.
See ya. All right. Let's get in the right directory. Let's click on the problem. Let's see what day 9's all about. Movie theater. You slide down the fire pole in the corner of the playground and land in the North Pole base movie theater. The movie theater has a big tile floor with an interesting pattern. Elves here are redecorating the theater by switching out some of the square tiles in the big grid that they form. Where did I get lay? Some of the tiles are red. The elves would like to find the largest rectangle that uses red tiles for 2 of its opposite corners. Okay. The largest rectangle that uses red tiles for 2 of its opposite corners. They even have a list of where the red tiles are located. Look at this. Can we do a start 9? Showing red tiles as hashtag and other tiles as dot. The above arrangement of red tiles would look like this. You can choose any 2 red tiles as the opposite corners of your rectangle. Your goal is to find the largest rectangle possible. For example, you could make a rectangle, or you can make a rectangle here. Okay, you can make the biggest one possible. It doesn't matter if it crosses other ones. This seems suspiciously straightforward. Don't we just need... All right, well, how many do we have? 496. I mean, listen, I'm not above What? Mapping them all into a list. I'm not above this. Given the circumstances, you know? We just gotta do it. I feel like I've written this so many times already. Continue. Max equals 0. And then we just calculate list I 2 and 2 from J. Do that, and area equals okay, we gotta make sure we don't go negative. We can just fix that at the end. X1 minus X2 times Y1 minus Y2. Area equals, get rid of the minus sign. And then if area greater than max, my keyword, then area equal, or max equals area. $36. 50. Is it shit? So we need the okay. Let's do this. There we go. Why is that so slow? Is it just a lot of math? It shouldn't be slower than, yeah, okay. Than yesterday's. All right, easy.
You already got it done? Oh my god. That's incredible. You're just faster than I am. That's as simple as that. I know what to do. I just haven't coded it yet.
I just wanted to type really fast to, you know.
Well, you do type fast than me. I think your words per minute were like 120, 130. I think mine was like 90. So
That's
you
true.
got me there. Well, nice job. I'm going to continue on with what I have because I pretty much think I have the algorithm down. So we'll see if I can get it to work.
All right. Should
All right,
I go on?
For it. Go.
Okay,
You
okay.
don't need to ask. Go start day 2. You got this.
Here we go. Part 2. This is where he's probably going to catch up to me because I cheesed that part 1. The elves just remembered they can only switch out tiles that are red or green. So your rectangles can only include red or green tiles. In your list, every red tile is connected to the red tile before and after it by a straight line of green tiles. Oh, what the heck? Every red tile is connected to the red tile before and after it by a straight line of green tiles. The list wraps. Okay. Oh no. In addition, all of the tiles inside this loop of red and green tiles are also green. I see. Remaining tiles are never red nor green. Rectangle you choose must still have red tiles as in opposite corners, but any other tiles it includes must now be red or green. Significantly limits your options. Wait, isn't this that one algorithm? How big are the numbers that we're working with here? Hmm. 100,000? How big is it if we actually make a grid that big? Might be kind of big. Mm-hmm. Okay. And so we're looking for the largest rectangle. Well, I remember one kind of like this in 2023. But a little bit different. So there's what? There's 500 squared is something. There's 250,000 different rectangles. Do we need to filter which I feel like these numbers you could you? What's 100,000 squared? 100,000 squared. 100 million? Yeah. I feel like there are some languages that could do that. Not this one. 100 million's a lot. What am I thinking?
Yo, what's up, gamer? Just letting you know your head start is over. I am jumping on to part 2.
Yeah, well, I mean, we're fucked.
I love when part 2 is like that. Oh man, I'm excited.
We're cooked.
Do you want me to read it while I'm on stream with you, or do you need to
Sure,
crush this one?
sure.
Okay, I don't know if you want to crush me or if it's really that bad. Oh, thank you for the congrats, people.
I have
All right, let's
not started. I don't have remotely an approach yet.
see. Part 2, the elves just remembered they can only switch out the tiles that are red or green. So your rectangle can only include red or green tiles. In your list, every red tile is connected to the red tile before and after it by a straight line of green tiles. The list wraps, so the first red tile is also connected to the last red tile. Tiles that are adjacent in your list will always be on either the same row or the same column. Using the same example as before, the tiles marked X would be green. Okay, awesome. In addition, all the tiles inside the loop, red and green tiles are also green. So in this example, these are the green tiles. Okay, the remaining tiles are never red nor green. The rectangle you choose still must have red tiles in opposite corners, but any other tiles it includes must now be red or green. This significantly limits your options. For example, you can make a rectangle out of these. Oh boy. Oh god. Okay.
Yeah.
Oh, I'm gonna have to sit here and just think about this. Oh, this sucks. Nice job,
Yeah.
Eric. What a part 2.
I vaguely remember doing a problem that has a similar solution, and it took me some time. Maybe I can find the video. Maybe I can learn from myself.
I don't think that's cheating. I think that's fine.
I don't know if I made a video for that day, though.
I'm gonna mute and I'm gonna lock in.
All right, good luck.
Yeah, you too.
I don't think I uploaded the one that I did. That was this. What was it? Advent of Code events 2023. Would it have been like 14? No, I remember that one. 15? No, I remember that one. Nope. Nope. There it is. Day 18. It was this one. All right, let's go to the repository. Let's look up day 18. So P1 I think was easy, right? P1 was just flood fill. And then P2 was, oops, haha, the numbers are fucking gigantic. Cheating? Of course, weird algorithm. How could I forget? We just have to do weird algorithm. Once we implement weird algorithm, we're gonna be looking good. And then we just have to fix the elves mistake. Reading my own code from 2023 has not helped. I am starting to realize why people criticize me when I write code that's a little bit silly looking to read. This, all it says, the ending of this file is, okay, we take the input, we pipe it into fix the elves mistake, then we pipe it into color corners, then we pipe it into modify lengths, then we pipe it into weird algorithm, we pipe it into paste and add it all up.
You pipe it into weird algorithm. Yo, incredible.
Yeah, so weird algorithm is the one I'm not so sure what's going on.
What was that other one you had from a couple days ago? Find 97 or something, I think you had.
Oh yeah, it does say find 97.
Incredible. Well done.
Yesterday I did have a variable named cigarettes.
It's amazing. All right, I believe we
What
got
the
this.
fuck is weird algorithm?
Good luck. This is on you to figure out.
So I actually do remember it. I found it on some like random programming forum.
Oh my god.
So I'm never gonna find that again.
You gotta comment things.
Oh,
You gotta comment.
it's over. Bash has failed.
No, we got this. I'm gonna
All
crush
right.
you on part 2. Actually, I don't even know how to do this yet, but I'm gonna crush you. All right, good luck, gamer.
Yeah. Comments? What is this? A college course? Exactly. No comments. The fuck is weird algorithm? I think, is it not the shoestring algorithm? Is this the guy? This is Gauss's area formula. Does this help us? Because this would tell us the area of the whole thing. But then I think I'm doing like a different version of that. Did I see limits when you scrolled? Oh no. The triangle formula. The trapezoid formula. Well, hold on a second. If we can turn it into rectangles, right? Which are what have like a rectangle is a trapezoid, right? I believe. No. What? No, a rectangle is a trapezoid, you liar. How dare you? Look at this. Look at the diagram. Observe. Trying to trick me. However, does this algorithm even help us? Because if we're looking at this thing, what the fuck? Because it's not even just, well, maybe it is. Okay, where do we start? We start like here. Then we go here. I have to visualize it. All right, well we can optimize this, right? There's an optimization here where we say I plus 1. Now we're down to 125,000 cases. So I think if we just start guessing all of them, 125,000 tries, give it like few months. You're gonna crash. All right, have a good night. I don't even know. What if each of us checks a few of those? True? Okay. I don't know, I'm not a programmer. You're a programmer. You're lying. How dare you lie? Unless you're not a programmer and you've just been deceiving us. So like, but like, I think there is something to be said about this, color corners? What does that do? You've never been paid to be a developer? Is that real? What the heck? Lore drop. I mean, it's uncommon these days, right? They don't really do that anymore. Makes sense. I shouldn't be paid. I can't even figure this out. So I think this is doing, I don't know what that is. The fuck does modify lengths mean? Business Intel. Ah, you work for Intel. I see. No? Isn't Intel kind of screwed right now? You said you're in the business of Intel. You know, I was hoping tonight was going to be a short problem because I haven't eaten dinner yet and I wanted to just do a quick, bang out a quick advent of code, get some dinner, maybe go to bed. But now, as you might have noticed, now I'm stuck here. I'm stuck here staring at a drawing of a little thing on paper. I'm 0.1 millimeter taller. Nice. You need to get more paper, or like thicker paper. You've been getting good mileage out of that Dave laughing emo. Good night. Eric, have you heard my approach yet? I'm thinking since there's only like 125,000 possible answers, I'm just gonna start guessing. Like it's got to be one of them. Yeah. One. Maybe not one. Because it can't be one. So it has to be at least two. Is that what makes you a bad cop? I mean, I'm just not very good at it. I keep applying and they keep saying no. They're like, your resume has nothing to do with law enforcement. And I'm like, yeah, but like, think about the content, you know, like we'd have some funny clips. And they're like, that's not why the body cams are there. I think there's a thing here where what you do is so what do you do is so what you do is you just got to do weird algorithm. So once I figure out what weird algorithm was doing, we're gonna be in business. Is day 9 easier than day 8? Yes. Yes, if you're being gaslighted. What data structure did you use for day 8? I used a grid. Do you love a good and weird algorithm? Yeah. The fun part about the weird algorithm is that I totally found it on some forum post in 2023 and implemented it, and then did not write down where or what it does. So it's it just kind of it's just kind of here. And now I am left to wonder what in its infinite wisdom it does. I mean, it sure does read stuff from standard in. So as long as you have this stuff, as long as you have an A, a D1, an L1, a C1, and an L1 with an uppercase instead of a lowercase, you too could be the proud owner of a weird algorithm. I do think one thing that is going to be useful, even though I don't know what my approach is yet, is knowing what direction each little guy turns. I have so many weird algorithms. I have a whole website about giving them away for free. Dang. I just have the one. It's not even mine. I adopted it. Stole it even, you might say. Didn't even give credit to its author. Yep. This is one of those ones where you just look at it and you go, and then eventually you're like, and then, yeah. And then someone in chat offers you emeralds, and you're like, that's what's up. You'll notice there's no programming villager in Minecraft. So that's kind of like the current problem I'm having is like I'm trying to be a programming villager, but really I'm like the fishing one at best, you know? Just give me a barrel. I'll stand next to it. I'll buy your coal. I don't care. Stalling is not working. I've tried stalling. That was my first idea for this one. But I'm really just looking at it and I'm wondering why. I opened this, but I don't know how to read. I love a good surveyor's formula. Area of a simple polygon. Yeah. Nothing simple about it. But it's not so much this one. It's more like we want to do the... What's the generalization? Ooh, we can do it in higher dimensions? That sounds hard. Here, what's this one? Let's just go into a Wikipedia rabbit hole until we find something that looks like what we need. I think this is the this is the strategy. This one seems like maybe not what we need because there's like no pictures. And I feel like we need one that has pictures. Pics? Oh, I remember this one being one. This is one of the ones that they have. They have this one now. You can get the area of a simple polygon. Same thing. I remember what I was trying to do via Euler's formula. Well, now what's going on here? Special triangles. Maybe we should use some special triangles. Could be good. Special triangles for the weird algorithm. Ah, what's the Gauss circle problem? Oh, classic. You're trying to figure out how many ping pong balls can fit in your pool. That's the Gauss circle problem. Maybe the Heron's formula, that could be cool. Look at this. It can tell you how big the triangle is. Ooh. You don't have a pool? Do you have ping pong balls? This one seems not so helpful. What's a planimeter? Oh. This could help us. This could be useful. I think this might be the trick. We just use one of these. Ooh, a curvometer. Ooh, a mathematical instrument. All right, we're getting off topic here a little bit. Is this just the page for Polygon? Okay, let's learn about polygons. At the end of the day, that is sort of what we have is a polygon. We have a closed polygonal chain. You know what I mean? No, we don't. Yes, we do. How does this help us? I feel like this is a rabbit hole I went down on during the last one, but if I could just cut this up into rectangles, you know? Just make a bunch of rectangles. But how would I do that? How would I know where, like, where that goes? The other option would be to start with the list of all the rectangles and then invalidate them somehow. But yeah. But yeah. Hmm. Ooh. Ooh, I have an idea. Don't know if it works. Don't know if it works. Dave's like talking a lot with his hands and stuff. But his hands aren't on the keyboard, so that's giving me a good I'm not so worried. He's not typing yet. What I was thinking is like, what if we could like condense this guy? Or we could like trash compactor it into into a smaller shape. I don't know if that would work. Well, if he's using one of those voice dictation things, he's not. He doesn't know how. How would we go about invalidating one? To invalidate one, I would need to figure out the... I mean, maybe we approach this not from the inside, but from the outside. Like if we make a big set of rectangles that represent the outside, then we can filter ones out by seeing if they intersect with the outside somehow. That's gonna be like a lot of rectangles probably. Ooh, what about exterior algebra? Could this be? Yes. Interesting. Math. Can you explain what the question is? Sure. So we've got this thing, right? Essentially like an outline of a thing. We want to find the largest rectangle that has one of these and one of these in the lower left and the top right, which is like just a corner. And we want to find the biggest one of those that's completely contained within this thing, within the shape. And our real input is a lot bigger than this one, obviously. Does that make sense? So it's like the example here is like, oh, okay, it doesn't have to be specifically those corners. It could be any two corners, but whatever. Apparently it can be the top left and the bottom right as well. So like this one also works and is the biggest one. But for example, you wouldn't be able to go from this corner to here because that would include like a bunch of empty space. What about like a triangulation algorithm? Oh yeah, what about like a partition algorithm? There you go. Can we partition it into rectangles? That would be cool. Partitioning a rectilinear polygon into rectangles. Hang on. That sounds fun. Is the circle thing and the hashtag thing different? What do you mean? No. This is just showing, like, the O's are showing the potential rectangle that's being considered. It doesn't actually look like this, right? Like our input looks like a bunch of coordinates in order. Optimal partition can be found in time O of n to the 4. Minimizing the number of components. NP hard. Nice. Will that even help us though? Because like, there's two intersecting rectangles that I would want to consider. So all the coordinates form a closed polygon of some sort. Yes. Maybe it is this, and it's just a matter of... It's hard because... Ahoy! We have a hard one. It's one of these days. I got like nothing. Is anybody finished? Probably. Ooh, not many people actually. Most people are still working on part 2. Yeah, it is part 2. Dang. You finished? All right. What do I even want it to do? It's a tricky one. You made this one tricky. Did you know that? Hmm. You might have known. I still think there's something to the idea of knowing what kind of corner it is. But like, how would I, for example, know that I can't connect this to here? Is it simply because it contains an interior corner? Is that proof enough? No. Maybe? Hold on. Is there a way to construct one where it doesn't contain an interior corner? And it is valid. Or it's invalid. Not on this example. I don't see a way. So that's interesting. What if I draw my own? How do you use this? Here we go. So if we have like, I don't know. Let's use this tool. Can't undo? Okay. Hello, how's it going? It is paint. What do you mean it looks like? All right, let's just wing it. How's my day? Pretty good. Doing some Advent of Code. Trying to come up with a case for, I don't know. All right. We got some shape. So let's mark interior corners as red. Exterior as blue. All right. Is there a way to draw a shape that goes like this? That's not valid. Oh, wait. Does this have a built-in zoom? No. Well, that's awkward. View? Zoom. Large size. Okay. Oh, there's this thing. Yeah. Okay. 2x. All right. So like this would be invalidated by this red corner being inside. But this red corner would be fine because it's on the edge, I guess. But is there one that doesn't follow this rule? I mean, there's this one, which is just completely outside. Huh. How would we determine that? Diagonals. Diagonals. Why would we need diagonals? What's the question? We're doing Advent of Code D9 part 2. Okay. So we know the direction of this corner. This is a what? A UR corner. Or wait. Yeah, how does this work again? There's four types of corners. Are there 4? Or are there 8? I think there's 8. Because you got the like interior exterior thing. And then you've also got 4 directions. So when we look at a corner, we have to only consider going to ones that are like within our direction. We can't go to one that's up or that's left of here. We can only go down and right. There's going to be a lot of cases here to spell out. 8 of them. But then we still have to come up with a logic for how do we decide if one of these guys is within our rectangle. Because doing like a linear scan for each one is gonna hurt. I guess we wouldn't need a linear scan. We could just look at all of the... No, that's worse. Or would a linear scan hurt that much? There's only 500 points. So maybe it's not too bad. So I think this is the idea right now, is we go through all the corners. We look at, we label them as being one of these 8 types. And then in the next pass, we try to find them some pairs. I can't undo. Okay. Okay. Here we go. Using a site with JavaScript. I don't have Paint. I need to get a like drawing tool on this OS. What am I doing? I wanted to know what number. 24. 24 go here. Aiden, did you do this problem yet? The drawing tool is literally called drawing. I don't know. I just haven't done it. It only comes up when I'm on stream and then I forget. Life been too eventful. Excuses. That's what it is. Nothing but excuses. Let's just start over. Honestly, we're gonna take the file. We're gonna do some stuff. Label the corners. Do we need to extend the thing to include do we need to do like Wahoo? You know what I mean? Do we need to do that? I'm pretty sure you get what I'm saying here. You get what I'm asking. Local first line. If this is then do this. Do first equals line. And then echo the line. Echo the first. There we go. That's what Wahoo does. Obviously. Just repeat the first line at the end. It's gonna be weird algo all over again. Do you think I learn? Do you think I learn? Is that what you think this stream is? Me learning? No, of course not. Of course I'm gonna repeat my mistakes. Yes. Speaking of which, this is gonna go into the enterprise func. And what this one is gonna do is do some enterprise grade bullshit. This is where the Java beans go, right here. I think you mean enterprise func. What? I don't even know what you're typing. All right, so here's where we're gonna shell out to Java C. Wait, no. And then so how do we do this? It's like OX move. No, I don't know how to write bytecode. Yeah, just output JVM bytecode. Can we just pipe it into Java? Like Java dash jar standard in? is this legal syntax? Host scan to find someone with a vulnerable React server and run it on their server. Ooh. Now you're thinking with that security mindset. While IFS equals this, read XY to done echo XY. There you go. You can do something like Java hello world. I could. No need for Java C anymore. I think I'm going to stick to Bash for this one. Bash just seems like the strongest language for this this problem. You know what I mean? So we're going to set yoink equal to that. And then if we don't have yoink, then we need it. Yoink equals XY. Maybe it'd be faster to keep two variables because we already parsed it. So yoink X, yoink Y, you know? Continue, obviously. But then we're gonna do that again here. And what that will do is nothing. Because we didn't set this one. So that'll turn them into little pairs. Which is good. Now, what do we do with the pairs? I think really what it is we're gonna print out the one we just wait, shit, do we need 3? You need 3 of them to figure out the direction, don't you? Damn. Okay. We're just going for it. We're just gonna go. So the second one equals the line. second. It's fine. It's not fine, but it is going to be fine. Everyone's going to be okay. Let's make sure that's working. Yeah. Then we do the enterprise func. So let's make this X1, Y1, and then let's get these as well. You don't need the equals really. We should probably give this its own XY just to be safe. Okay. So if we don't have a yoink X, that comes first. Otherwise, if we don't have, oh no, 1, 2. Wait, is this right? So it'll be, I don't know. We're just gonna figure it out. Can we have this go first so we can keep the 27 and 28? Yeah. I just don't know if this is right. Maybe a shorter name could have been better. It's possible. All right. So we go 7-1, 11-1, 11-7. Can we put an echo here? But then we need to update these. So yoink 1 is gonna become yoink 2. And then and then 2 becomes X. This is really enterprise func. That looks vaguely rightly shaped to me. So the one we actually care about is this one. Right? So maybe let's start renaming the variables. This is like cur X. Cur Y. And then X and Y are more like next X, next Y. And then yoink is more like prev. Does that make more sense? Cigarettes is already taken. It doesn't work anymore now that I renamed it, which is troubling. Oh, here. Not there. Here? Here. Everywhere. Boom. Stop making sense to me like 8 minutes ago. No, look. It's gonna make so much sense. What I've done is I've taken this file. You see this file? And I've innovatively, I've moved this line to the bottom in an enterprise grade fashion, because let's face it, there's no easier way to move that line to the bottom. Can't be done. Very robust. But the thing is, the Enterprise Func, not only was it capable of moving that line to the bottom, get ready for this, it can also see into the past and the future. Hello? Like, that's so good. Shareholder value through the roof right now. I know. Like, can do this. Wait. Will this work if I put it as no? Shit. Oh, would I have to execute it in the outer one? Dang. We don't have that feature yet. It's not worth it. We can just do byte lost instead. A lot of bytes lost. I need to make it so I can run banner from anywhere and it just works. Oh, there you go. First. Dang, were you actually first? I guess you were. That's crazy. Okay. So seeing into the past and the future allows us to do this one cool trick that they don't want you to know about, which is we can label these corners. What do we want to label them as? The interior exterior thing is hard. I forgot how hard that one is. Where is my, here. Where's my diagram? So we're gonna have Meep, how are you done already? Did you cheat? There's only like 3 people done for the day. But good job on beating Theo. It was done like an hour ago. Damn. That's brutal. How did I do for part 1? This was done weeks ago. I got 8th for part 1. Damn. I thought I was cooking. Why is everyone so fast? Are you all like cheating and using other languages that aren't Bash? I don't understand. Like, you know, if you're on my leaderboard, you have to use Bash, right? In hindsight, my solution was insufficient, but got the right answer. Yeah. You did exactly the amount of work required. I'm back on this shit, even though I know there's some better way to do this. But this is like, this is all I know. I fixed it after, so now it takes twice as long to do the same thing. I drew this. Custom. My commissions are open. Right. So first we want to figure out what direction we came from. So basically, this comes down to a little bit of echo dash n. So if cur x is greater than prev x, that's a L. How are you reloading the output? Very carefully. I should do it so fast your eyes can't see. Next. Oh. Wait, what? We can have that? Oh no. Okay. I didn't think about that case. That is a new type of corner unlocked. The middle corner. Is that real? Is that I didn't see that in here. No, why am I getting that? If let's go next x, next y. Prev x, prev y. Oh. Well, that ain't right. Oh, prev x 1. What the hell? There we go. Okay. Yeah. I hope there's no such thing as a middle corner. We'll check. We'll check on the real output before we continue, but wait, I should be basing this off previous. Not this. Well, should I? Hold on. Yeah. So if cur x is less than, then this is also, wait. Yeah. Okay. Right. It is not a, it's just a bash script. It's in the repo. It's like test runner or something. The Rust is just the spinner. Okay, if our current y is less than previous y, then we went down. No, I guess with this convention it would be up. All right. Now we get into these cases where yeah, I notify await. God, why don't I have this in the same order? Is that a new iOS feature? No, in fact, I think it's not at all an iOS feature. I think they don't have it. Get wrecked. All right. We've got some vaguely directional looking things. How do we decide the inside or outsideness of a corner? This is something I remember struggling with. Where's my browser? All right. So let's say we're here. We're evaluating this corner. We know that the inside is to our right because we're going around this thing clockwise. So, so if it's to my right, how do I put that into code? Because it's not just it's like this corner is the same as this corner in terms of rotation. These are both I don't know, up, right, or something. They're both. Is it an upright? Oh, this is not the same. Hold on. I gotta look at this one. Do we have the same situation? Yeah, like this corner and this corner are both left. Well, hold on. This one's a right down. And then maybe it is different. I feel like it might be helpful for me if I make a little thing that can actually print this out. It's not going to be helpful for us for the big input, but for debugging could be nice. Make grid. See ya. All right. While read A, B, C, D. So we start with B. And we have to draw a line from B to C. First of all, how big do we make this grid? I guess it can be dynamic. With height, start at 0 if the so read XY from B if x is greater than W equals x plus 1. Greater than or equal to. The y is greater than or equal to the height. Echo WH. Okay, 12 by 8. Is the dynamic grid that we've gotten. Can say grid XY equals red. And then we gotta fill in the x's somehow. Okay. X2. But it can go in either direction. So let's do this. Let's do bx equals X greater than x2, x2, small x is the other one, and then the same for y. And then this needs to happen at the end. So does this. Let's just try printing the grid now. We've got so many variables. Bx, by, sx, sy. Y equals 0. Y less than h. Y plus plus. Do done. This should be w. We're going to say C equals the grid x, y. Give it a default of a dot. Okay. Is that right? Is that the shape we're supposed to have? I feel like this could be bigger. Maybe we just expand it at the end. Or like when we're printing it. You know, if I was golfing, I would do this. I think that looks like the shape that we were given, yeah. And so then let's go for, nope, not here. For, oh gosh, need another variable. Ax, ay. Ax equals bx. No, we go from the small x to the big X. And the same for the Y. Okay. I know, this is a hard one. That has not worked. And why not? Hello? Okay. Do I have to go less than or equal? There we go. Okay. Look, I made a debug thing that prints out the grid. I can do it. Ugh. Why did I make this? I don't know. I thought it would help. It's nice. All right. Progress report. What was going on?
Progress report. I came up with a solution that would work if I had unlimited RAM. So
Yeah,
what
make
I'm
the
doing is
grid.
not working. Yeah, so like, I mean, I could write out to the file system. I don't know how big this file is going to get. I don't think it's. I think someone calculated in my chat it might take 30 hours to run. So
30 hours might be faster than it takes me to finish my code, you know?
dude, this puzzle's
I
hard.
did make a cool little guy that can print out the grid, so that's
Ooh,
I got
fun.
that. It's not going to be useful because obviously if I run that on the input, my computer's
but-
going to die.
Yeah, I don't know about yours. Mine's 90,000 by 90,000.
Yeah, it's pretty big.
Yeah, I have some ideas. I don't know how to implement them, so that's kind of where I am right now.
Yeah, same.
It's like I have a solution that will work if I have infinite time. So now I'm just going through the standard process. Now I'm like, okay, how do I optimize this? How do I do this faster? Use a different language.
I don't know if a different language is well, I think you could churn through it with a different language. Like
I know I'm with you on this one. I actually think this solution takes a little bit too much RAM. I actually don't think. I think if I used Rust or something, I would actually just max out my system faster than Bash would.
yeah.
Yeah. So I don't know. I got some ideas. I can keep working on it, but like I'm not stuck, but this one is really difficult.
Yeah. Not too many people have finished. I was looking at the leaderboard. Well, maybe now they
interesting.
have.
I didn't think about doing that.
Three people have got it so far, but also Eric says that he figured it out. So I don't know.
Eric? Oh my
I know
God,
he was bragging that he did it like weeks ago,
What?
and I'm like, oh,
Okay, well, that's just unfair. I didn't realize he was cheating. Okay, this changes everything. On my private leaderboard, no one has gotten this puzzle.
nice. All right, I'll
Yeah.
be
Oh
first.
no, that's not true. That's not
Oh.
true. Someone named Ben got this puzzle. It looks like they don't have a ton of points, so I didn't see him right there. I should have sorted better. One person has gotten this one.
Let's go, Ben.
Eric says he saw the puzzle. Yeah, see, Eric, get out of this chat. I didn't realize you were cheating. Oh, another person in my chat, Dragon Wizard, said I solved it in Python, which is cheating. That is cheating, so you're right. Yeah. So yeah, I don't know. I still got some juice left in me. I think I can.
Yeah.
I should be able to come up with.
Why do we not have like better geometry handling things in the core utils? Like, what's up with that?
Oh my god!
They don't have like any polygon tools.
Vec2s to each other.
Who's working on this?
Eric said, "Don't make me add myself to the top of your leaderboard." That'd be kind of funny. I'd respect that move.
Does Eric have all the stars? I feel like they can't be legit.
Yeah, I don't,
Those
I
are
don't
definitely
trust it.
spawned in.
Exactly. Insert into stars. Yeah, come
/ give command.
on. That's so funny. Oh, Eric says he has all the stars and a time machine. I built a couple time machines with these puzzles.
Yeah, that's true. I'm still going to. What I was saying earlier about like, oh, I was hoping today would be a quick one so that I could get dinner. I think at some point I'm gonna have to take a break to get food because I did not eat before the stream.
Gotcha. Well, I mean, it's already 2 a.m. here, so I might only stream for a little
Sleep
bit
for dinner.
left. Yeah, exactly. But we'll see. I'm hoping I can come up with something clever.
Have you tried Weird Algorithm?
No, see that's the thing. I tried to pipe it to weird algorithm. It said something like command not found.
yeah, you gotta install it.
Yeah,
It's,
command not found. Bash. I don't know.
It's in the bad cop utils.
All right. BC utils. Install.
No, BC is a different program. That's the basic calculator.
That's the arbitrary precision calculator. Dude, someone in YouTube chat just said, Eric, what's the answer? Okay, that's like the best message I think I've gotten all night. Yo,
14.
Eric, what's the answer? Like,
Yeah, can you look up just I don't want to know like the approach that's the answer. Can you tell me like what number I should put in the box?
Yeah.
If you could just type that in the chat, I'll copy paste it. We'll be all good. -1. Now, it could be. Is that what I'm supposed to say if there's no valid rectangles found? If my input just doesn't contain any red tiles? That would actually be crazy. I know you can't do it because it wouldn't work for a lot of reasons, but imagine if one of the days the input was just like a blank file. Imagine how confused everyone would be.
Yeah, it's fun. Just the days where the input is like a 2-line file. I'm like, oh, we're screwed.
Yeah. Oh, we're doing math today.
Basically, yeah. Okay, I just had an epiphany. I have an idea. All right, I'm muting. I'm locking in.
Oh, he's cheating.
Yeah, that's what I'm doing.
He stole my brainwaves. I was broadcasting the answer. And now he has it. Shit. Okay. All right. So I want to make this print the color. So let's give these, well, those can stay like that. Let's do, I don't know, 31. Oh, dash n. And then the idea here is that we're going to take whatever color we get and put it into here. So what color well, first of all, how do you do the colors? You do like 033 this percent %D. And then color. Invalid number. Yes. Yes, I see. Order a pizza or something? I'll get something. It's not too late yet. Like, things stay open. The foreground color. Tell me, Google. Like, isn't that what I'm doing? Oh, it's the M, not the semicolon. There we go. All right, so that has made no color. Okay, that is not right either. Where's the color? $31M. I think you can do it with printf. Printf bash. Yeah, we could do it that way, but okay. So that works if I do that. Is it because the M is getting added to my format specifier? Or do we just genuinely not have a color? Oh, because the color, oh, I see. Yeah. Yeah, I need to bake the color into here. Uh, um, okay, okay. That's for the fishing, which is kind of broken right now. Trey has caught a fish. It's not broken per se, it's just, it doesn't show up on the stream overlay right now. But you can catch fish. And depending on what kind of rod you have, you catch different fish. But they don't show up on stream or do anything right now. Yeah, it's a thing. But don't you want to like have fish? Like, look, I search your name and there's no fish. It's kind of unfortunate. You can have all these. What was I doing? Color. I'll wait for the admin rod. Good call. You want the borked fish? There is the I think you just catch this one regularly. Cop.fish is a top tier domain name. Thank you. Yeah, there is the 404 fish. I do have one of those. You got a null rod? That's gonna catch you a null fish. Guaranteed. Why my color don't work like how it should do? Oh, I see. Now, would this have worked with printf? Nerd group among whom nullfish is the worst insult possible? Perhaps. How do I reset it? Nope, not 1. 39. All right, now why? Oh, there we go. Why is everything bold? 33? It's reset? No. 39 resets color. Something else resets the... Maybe just... Nope. Oh, I'm making it worse. Fancy reset. Reset. 0. There we go. Might have a solution heading to the answer. I don't think I do, but I am happy that I've printed colors. Just happy to be here. So the color, look at that. We can change it. So I want to make it match our diagram. That's my goal. I want to have blue ones when it's blue time and red ones when it's red time. Red time. What's blue? 30, 35? Not quite. 34. Blue time. Now the tricky part is going to be knowing, is it red time or is it blue time? And this is where I regret doing echo. Party time? I could definitely do this better. Let's do this. No, no, okay. Don't even need the quotes. Why do we have the quotes? Don't know. Just kill them. Kill them all. Okay, we don't have a color anymore. Because you gotta do that. S to substitute. Yeah. I know about Control V, but... Oh, come on. Who's got the time? Vim is so interesting because, like... You have to, like... You have to come up with, like, a set of things that you're comfortable with and then, like, slowly add to it. Because if I were to think about, like, what the optimal move is in every case, I would just never get anything done. Like, I would spend more time thinking about the move than, like, you know? So you end up with like this weird subset of Vim commands that's like your go-to. I don't know. At least that's how it is for me. I don't know if that's how everyone else feels. Cause like I do one weird thing that I feel like most people don't do, which is like this thing. Like the thing you're supposed to do is like I don't know, do %s. I get rid of next x. I change it to I do this, but I never do that. I'm always just like, yeah, okay, I want next x, and then I'm gonna get rid of that one. I'm gonna make it spaghetti, and then I'm just gonna hit dot a bunch of times. That's how it is for everyone about everything. It's so true. Oh, okay. Can I introduce you? You don't need to do n and dot. Ready for this? This is gonna blow your mind. So Well, okay. In that case, maybe you don't want it to do this, but if you if I change this one that I've here with CGN, and I say like hello, and then I hit escape, and I hit dot, it automatically jumps to the next one. I don't know. I like that. Yeah, it's a little weird one. Yeah. Yeah, that's the only thing I use it for, really. I'm not sure when else it would be. That's what's so fun about Vim, though. Somebody comes in and they're like, do you know about this? And I'm like, no. And I'm like, but did you know about this? Yeah, you can also do... I do star a lot. What's the other one? I actually don't know. Is it... Oh, yeah, it's the hashtag. Yeah, star and hashtag. I had to think about it because, like, I normally just hit it and I couldn't remember what key that was. Anyways, what were we doing? We were putting a $sign right here. Boom. I do use F a lot. But then I misclick and I feel like I save no time when I use F. It just makes me feel cool when I jump to, like, oh, I want to go to that ampersand. Okay, now I'm over there. When the people who are just like holding down H are getting there faster than me. Yeah, I do that too. When I was doing, I did these loops. I was like, okay, now I want one for Y. So I did FY, RX, semicolon dot. Pretty cool. I rarely use the this thing. I should use this thing more. This thing. Hello. Wait, why doesn't it do the... Wait, what? What did I do wrong? See, this is why I don't do this thing. It doesn't work. I think my least common Vim habit is S. Yeah, I don't use S, but I do use X and R a lot. I like R. Doing numbers with R? That's crazy. Wait, what's capital R? Oh my god, I've never used that in my life. That's on a different level. What do you mean? Is it? It's like insert mode on Windows. Well, does Linux have insert mode? I don't have an insert key on my keyboard anymore. I'm hearing this conversation without video. I re-indent by hand, backspacing and spacing every character. So funny you should say that. When I was first getting into programming, I was doing a lot of PHP in the early days, and I was using Notepad. Everyone loves Notepad. It's the best editor. It's just as simple as it gets, you know? Raw simplicity, raw power. You're only limited by yourself. No, Ed's got way more complexity than Notepad. Have I seen your website? I'll look in a second. But so the thing that sucks about Notepad, the one fatal flaw, is that if you are like, oh, I want to indent this code block, right? You come in here and you're like, okay, I've selected all the text. I'm gonna press tab. You press tab and Notepad's like, oh, I see what you wanted me to do. You wanted me to replace all that text you just selected with a literal tab character. And it's like, no, why? Why is that what you would do? Like, that's never what I would want. There's no situation where I would ever be hitting tab because I want all of the text to become a tab. Tab shouldn't even exist. Thank you for the raid, Lady Edgy Fox. So to correct this behavior of hitting tab and losing all my indentation and getting really frustrated with having to manually tab lines in and out, what I would do is I just stopped indenting my code. Yeah. If you go to my GitHub and you look for some of my early works, I am having a good night. Okay, well, this is a bad example. Well, okay, no, there's some good examples in here right at the top. But like, I don't know, what index.php, that's probably a good one. Oh, hell yeah. Look at that. Left aligned code. This is how we used to do it. This is how the internet was meant to work. This is how it was supposed to be. Okay, yeah, there was some. This is, you know, before I gave up on indentation. I liked to keep the HTML indented because I probably stole this from some template. What's logout do? Oh, nice. Got to unset that session variable. Thanks for the raid again. Hope your stream went well. Somehow it's still readable. I know, because I'm just the best at coding, is what it is. Like, oh, this was the crazy part of PHP, was having like a line here that's like, like what the fuck is happening here? It's closing two things and then it's the else to some case. What case does this close? How would we ever know? Like, what? Why is Q spelled like that? That's not how you spell Q. The U is upside down. What happened to the U? Oh no. Okay, what was your website? PHP Sadness? These are things in PHP which make me sad. These are things that make me happy. Oh, see, this is stuff that I would have never understood when I was writing PHP. You have to understand. This was at a time in my programming career when I didn't really know like what functions were. Like I didn't really mess with those too much. Like I knew how to call functions that existed, but I didn't know how to make my own or what it meant to make your own function. So I definitely was not creating a final abstract class or anything like that. What are the grayed out ones? Does that mean they've been fixed? Oh, less than 5.6, I see. For a while, I center aligned SQL. Yeah, that's pretty good. God, there was some code that I did. Like, I used to like manually format all my code back before we had any sort of formatting stuff. And I definitely did some weird stuff where you like, you tidy up all the equal signs for your variables and like, what a lost art. All right, how do we make the blue ones blue and the red ones red when it's red time and when it's blue time? Anybody figure this out while I was PHPing? How did this get switched back again? This keeps happening. Blue is 34. That's true. I think what I'm gonna do, I think it's as simple as this. Oh, did you figure out how to make it fast? It's like this, and there's a bunch of these. You'll doctor down low, and then what? You got Ludum Dare, LR. I don't know what LR is. Line return. You got. Wait, LR. That's not a thing. Don't let me lie to you. It's LU. All right, these are the cases. And for some set of them, it's blue time. And for some set of them, it's red time. Why can't I put a comment there? Hello? Is that true? Can I put a comment there? There's no way that's true. That's true? Oh, right. You have to fall through. I forgot. We're in a base language where fall through exists. And you have to explicitly ask for it. All right. So it's not like right. Like one of the red ones is blue and one of the... It's close. I think we just have to guess until... Let's expand these out a little. Can we actually... I think we can actually just do this. This will be shorter. Geese, gun, and foot. have hard coded a point or two. Yeah, I feel like you kind of have to figure out if it's which side of the fence is Have you ever used Notepad++? Long time ago. All right, so what is not right here? Should we just switch them randomly? What if I switch RU and UR? No. Wait. Yes? Yes. What do red and blue even mean? Don't worry about that. That's for me to know. It means it's red time or it's blue time. Like, what I want them to mean means you're not colorblind. So I'll show you my diagram. Red is when, red is when like this, bad. Blue is like when this, yeah, good. You might be asking, is this relevant? I don't know. I don't know. I think so. I think it's relevant. But I don't know. You want to offend everyone equally? I know some people who like Lua, yeah. Concerning behavior. Friends don't let their friends like Lua. It's just not good. It's like, it's fine, but it's not good. We need to stop pretending it's good. You don't have an opinion? How dare you? All right, hear me out. We make this wider. Expand. Yeah, how do I make this wider? Oh, like this. Boom. Now that's looking pretty wider. So what I want to do is try changing this to be D. There we go. Yeah. Yeah, and I don't think we can actually do it the way I think we can, but I'm going to try it anyways, just in case we can. Because, like, what if, What if this whole time... Oh, no, wait. Wait, yeah. Maybe? I don't know. Is that right? It looks right. It doesn't necessarily mean that we have all the cases covered here. But yeah, that's a good way to put it. It's is the big angle on the inside or is the big angle on the outside, you know? I think this should tell us all the information. Are the bad joints wrong turns? No, it's just about like, is it inside or is it outside corner? Is it red time or is it blue time? Like, I don't know how I can explain this any more clearly. Okay. Now, what if I were to do something crazy and flip it around just to test that out? So we got Wahoo, but what if we had Yeehaw? Which just just like while read XY, do done local XY, echo 10 minus X, Y. So like Wahoo, Yeehaw, then enterprise function. Oh, no, that didn't work. Yeehaw, what did I do wrong? Bad cops saw bad cops function names and said hold my Santa hat. Yeah. Oh, what am I doing? All right. Doesn't work. 20? All right, what is happening? What's coming out here? Oh. Pay no mind. 15. There we go. Oh. Well. Do I want 10 minus Y as well? I think it's still working. Are we playing what color is your function? No, we're playing what color is the corner? You see a duck. That's not a duck. This is red and green tiles. You don't see the red and the green? Maybe I should be making them red and green so that you could see the red and the green. But you don't see the green? Well, it's right here. It's the X's. The X's are green. Technically, this is also all green. I just didn't feel like doing flood fill just for a visual. That seemed unnecessary. I don't know. How do we know if we've tested all the cases? Like, that seems fine. Green like grass, like a Zelda world or something? No, it's green like it's a tile on the floor. All right, Wahoo enterprise function, make it a grid. Make a grid, debug only, not for prod. We'll name it that just so we don't forget. Is it a puzzle or for real? It's a puzzle. We're doing day 9, part 2. Well, I don't know if we're doing it or if we're just making pretty things in the terminal, to be honest, but I would like to figure it out. I think I have all my data like labeled, and it's just a matter of doing the rest of the owl now. So that's what my data looks like. Rate my data. Trash talking my function names in Dave's chat. Oh my god, we don't even have the shared chat on. I want F1. No, I want F2, 4, 5. Is that all the information I need? Because it's a set of points and they're labeled. And now I want to do some n cubed bullshit. N cubed? Yeah, n cubed. How bad is n cubed on 500? Is that bad? Uh-oh. I'm in danger. Now, is 100 million a lot? It can't be that big, right? Computer fast. For computer, that's a piece of cake. This isn't a computer. This is my shell. Mm-hmm. So what were we doing in part 1? Part 1, we just go through them, calculate the area, yada yada. Easy peasy. Map file. Points. That. Let's keep this around just in case I still want to make it a grid for debug only, not for prod. All right, here we go. We're getting into the real stuff now. Points, boom. Show me the points. There they are. Look at them. Holy. Count. How many points do we have? Yeah, that was right. Eight. All right. For what? For A, B, C, D in points. A, C, A, B. Nar. Can't do that. All right, let's just do A, B, C, D. Points. I always forget to do this. Okay. All right. So we're just fine on our input. I think so far. Oh boy. I'm scared. I'm nervous. I'm hungry. You got what you wanted. Is there a good non-linear optimization thing? Per what? I don't know what we're talking about. I lost track. I was writing some code. Try to keep me in the loop. Nah, you don't have to. All right, you ready for this? I don't think you're ready. What? No, J, I, J. Done. E, F, G, H. Is that enough variables? I think that's enough variables. E, F, G, H. All right. So now we just have to try them all. So we start off with max equals 0. We calculate the area, of course. There's got to be a better way to write this. What's a good math way to... Well, I don't know. To be honest, this wasn't the slowest part of part 1 anyways. Or, I mean, it was, but it's like 12 seconds or something. We can afford it. If area greater than max, true. Let's change this around. If it's less than or equal to the max, then we do continue. Because we're going to do a whole bunch of stuff here. Not so fast. Max. 1. Really? No, but really? Oh, because I'm still using X1 convention. Oh god, it's A versus E and B versus F. No? Oh. Oh, I forgot the this line. Oh, what's happening? This line. Why is it 1 though? They're all an area of 1. Well, that makes it simple. The answer's 1. If they're all an area of 1. Duh. Something's not right. Read. Yeah, these numbers aren't changing. What? Why aren't they changing? Ah. I'm gonna go fall over. Good luck. Have fun. Falling over. I believe in you. 11-1, 11-7. Yeah, what the heck? What even happened here? Ah, I see it. I see it. 50. All right. What is solution 2? Also, what is that? Solution 2 is 24. We already got it. Okay. I think this could actually be pretty golfable. I'm not golfing. I just want to win. Okay. We've got 50. 50 is the wrong answer because we need to do the next step. The next step is the cursed step. So we need to... What's your current approach idea? It's slow. N cubed ish, slightly better, and N cubed with some heuristics. What is my plan though? I feel like we do actually want this little rascal. I don't know why that's getting blocked, but I'll allow that. Sorry. A E A no A E. Then for Y, B F F B B F F B. Right. Now we can change this to be dx equals bx minus sx by minus sy 50. Nice. Yeah, I think it's that word that it's blocking. I don't know why. See you. So what did I say was the rules? I forgot, that was a long time ago. I said no eating after midnight. That's not a rule. That's definitely gonna happen. I forgot. Do I watch the VOD to figure out what I said? It's like you only look at points. Ooh, I wonder if there's some sorting thing you could do here. But you only look at points that are well, huh. So for blue points, you got 3 directions that you can't look. Or yeah, you can't do pause. No. Yeah. Yeah, it's one of these. It's one of these. It's yeah, but then so what you want to do is then you want to just and then you just do the and then does that make sense? Cause like but like We're like, nah, no, nah, nah. Alright. Mm-hmm. Yeah, sure. Yeah. Mm-hmm. Alright. Alright. Yeah. Good. Uh. Yeah. Hmm. But not that way. And so like here though, but like no, eh, 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 ooh, eh. So is it diagonals? Is that what I'm trying to say? We want like yes and like no no no. And then what? Like yes, yes, yes. No. Like this? It looks Christmassy kinda. What's up? Did you win?
Did you get it?
No.
Oh.
I drew some stuff. I'm drawing.
Oh my god, that's awesome. No, I'm chasing down what I think might be a bug, but if I fix this, I don't think I still have it either. So.
Yeah, I think mine's gonna be kind of slow.
You think so?
I think it's like n cubed territory, which is like 100 million.
Oh my god. Okay, that's not good. I don't know. Mine seems solid, but it doesn't work. So there's that problem.
What n is it? Would you like food for thought? No.
Wait,
No,
what?
not really. Someone in chat asked if I want
Oh.
food for thought.
Gotcha. Yeah, no, yeah. Some people try to give me hints. I'm like, even the hints at this point, I'm so locked in. Like, it doesn't even matter.
Yeah. Yeah, I'm doing what I think I'm doing. It's just,
Yep.
will it be fast? Can I make it faster?
Can we actually get it to work? I don't even know. I have no idea how fast or slow this is gonna be when it's all said and done. To be honest.
I'm looking at your code. Oh, yeah,
Yeah,
you got
good luck.
LRDU as well. I have that in there.
Do you really?
Yeah. You
Oh
gotta
my God,
figure
that's
out.
funny.
Oh, lines crossed. What the fuck is that?
Oh, you're cheating by looking at me.
No, mine's different. I don't do that. Oh, that's interesting though. Yeah, I'm not doing that.
Oh God. I mean, I'm afraid to ask you what you're doing because I don't want to get ideas, but now I'm kind of curious because I'm so like set in what I'm doing here. Thank you, Narf.
I mean, I think the picture is pretty self-explanatory.
I don't even have your stream pulled up, so.
Yeah, I think it explains itself really.
I'm afraid to see what picture is about to come up here. Let me share this. Yeah.
I think that pretty much tells you what's going on here.
App, let's go.
Yeah, we're doing some football plays. So the quarterback can only go, the blue quarterback can only has one direction. You can only go infield. But the red quarterbacks, they can go all over the place. They're hacking.
I get it.
You can't go this way.
No, Bob Bad Cop still did not get it. So we are both chasing down two completely different solutions.
I got two different kinds of quarterbacks, yeah.
Oh my God, this is so funny.
But I made my, look at this. Let's do a little exit. One of these. I made it draw the football play. So
yeah. Yeah.
So that's a good start.
Oh my god.
We got Wahoo, Enterprise Funk, make it graded, debug only, not for prod.
Eric was saying that these were the name of your functions. I thought I thought half
Well,
of
so
them were lies.
Wahoo's self-explanatory, but what you really want to do is pipe in a little yeehaw in there, and that's gonna flip it around.
Yep. Yep.
And then yeah, I wonder what happens if you do 2 yeehaws. Oh, you're back to normal. Yeehaw is sort of a Boolean operation.
Oh my god, it's the cluster fun. This is incredible. So do you feel like this is gonna happen, or are you gonna call it quits and go get dinner?
I think I'm gonna have to. I'm probably gonna call it at midnight and then come back.
Okay. I think I might do like another 15 minutes and see what I can get done.
Because I got to the hard part where I like started copy pasting code from part 1, and I'm like, oh,
Yep.
I'm on 150 lines and this doesn't do anything yet.
Oh no. That's not good.
It's gonna be good once it starts going. Oh no.
Fun.
Your solution has more promise than bad cops. I'm closing this stream. Get the fuck out of here. You're gonna be impressed when mine runs in less than 12 hours and it gives me an answer. So
I'm gonna be afraid when that happens.
Let's go.
Incredible. All right, I'm gonna go lock in. I'm gonna lock in for the next 15 minutes, and I think I'll call it.
All right, I'll raid you, and then you can.
Heck yeah! If I'm still on, I'll raid you, of course. I think I'm close, but I keep saying that, so might not be.
Narf, are you gonna be impressed if I get an answer with this solution? Because it's gonna work. You're just. Took me 110 minutes to figure it out in C#. Like, it took 110 minutes to run? No, right? Okay, I'm gonna get food. Bye.
All right, see ya.
Okay, bye.